How to stop Microsoft Edge from blocking downloads. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop Microsoft Edge from blocking your downloads. So if you have been running into the annoying issues where Edge won't let you to download files, just follow the simple steps I'm going to show you. And now without further ado, let's get started. So here, as you can see, I am currently on Microsoft Edge and this is what the homepage looks like. Now from here you can simply click on the three dot icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen, and once you click on that, a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, simply click on the option labeled as settings. Once you click on it, you'll be prompted to the settings page. Now here, once you see the interface like this, on the left hand side, you can see the option labeled as cookies and site permissions. So simply click on that. And now in this section, you simply need to click on the option labeled as all permission. And once you click on that, a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, you simply have to scroll down and click on pops up and redirects. And this is where the magic happens. So if Microsoft Edge is blocking your downloads, this setting could be the reason. So what you can do is just toggle off the blocked option in this page. And once you do that, Edge will stop blocking your files and you will be able to download without any issues. And that's it. Super simple and quick. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.